Yo, welcome back to another video of mine. I got my little mics now, so I am currently leaving to Carson Coffee. We're going to another event. Hold on, sorry, I'm locking up my door right now because about to head out. Got the camera warming up, but yeah, we are about to head out. Had my Monster too. We are about to head out right here, Monster. And like I said, we are gonna be going to Carson Coffee today. Pretty cold outside, so like I said, I got the new mic, everything going. Like I said, I wanted better quality audio, and just look at this. Look at outside. Nice cold out here in Arizona. But yes, we're gonna be going to Carson Coffee. I haven't been there since a while. Last time I've been there was probably like last year, and I don't know. I'm gonna go check it out today. Pretty nice, cold weather, so hopefully get a lot of content. Supposedly it's gonna be cloudy, but hopefully it's not cloudy, so we can make the picture stand out a little bit more. But yeah, let's go. And like I said, same thing, try to get some content pictures. You guys are gonna be on my GoPro, so let's get it. Look at my camera. One of my lights went out, god damn it, but light is flickering. Car's warmed up a little bit. Got my Monster, so let's go grab some content. We are made it to Carson Coffee. I'm just gonna find some parking, but I tried to record a lot of cars and all that were coming along. We were almost cruising together, but I grabbed some on the iPhone, but wasn't as clear. But yeah, we have made it over here. You guys can see, just at the light, and we're basically there already. So let's go. I'm excited. I've been here in a while. I haven't been here in a while, so see how it goes. See you guys in a bit. So we have officially made it. They gave us the little magazine they always have over here. Chat, it is low-key packed. Like my seesaw. This parking. Hopefully you take Apple Pay because I never carry cash. It's only $5 to park. I'd rather park over here. Be safe. Better be safe than sorry. Ooh, look at that little truck. Hell yeah. But I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. Let's go. But we have made it. I'm gonna get the gear out and ready. So same thing. I'm gonna be running my Sony 24 to 70 kit lens. But let me just get out my other stuff. It's in here. Alright, here it is. My straps. Going for PGY Tech or something like that. So you're about to go on here. And I think that's it. Yep. Let's go. See how good the quality looks over here. Woo! It's cold chat. I was about to say hello. I'm like, what? To my video. I'm like, why is it black? The lens. Sorry. I think it's in the way. Ooh. Ferrari. Yeah. Dog.
His head is like the size of her head, shoulders, like part of the back. Yeah, that's why we kept him. Like, he's great with everybody else in our clothes.
It reflects too much.
But yeah, guys, we are all done for today. Show was pretty sick. It was packed. It was for sure packed. But we got some magazines, you know what I'm saying? Because apparently there's gonna be car week here in Arizona, January 16, I believe. And then, well, I'm trying to get some content there because, you know me, I'm just trying to grow as a creator, YouTube creator, photographer. And yeah, I just want to make that my dream, you know? But yeah, so today was fun. Grabbed a lot of content for sure. I just packed everything up because I gotta go work to my other dealerships since I work for dealerships. And then yeah, and then they were taking pictures of my car. It's kind of weird. I'm just aired out in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, today was fun. I really miss Cars and Coffee. The only thing is it's packed as always. So I tried my best to get content with the pictures that I took. I mean, yeah, I'm not saying that I'm not getting mad or anything. I expected there's gonna be a lot of people, and then you have to learn how to work around all those people, you know what I'm saying? So I stayed for like 2 hours because I got here like at 7:30 when it started, and then, well, man, life sucks. I'm trying to make it out so I won't work and do more content. But if you guys stayed to the end, thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. Until next time, peace. Oh yeah, and Happy New Year's. So let's start this year good.